Have you ever wondered why, when you shoot a basketball, the ball falls to the ground? Or perhaps you wondered why, when you hit a baseball, it comes back down? Well, the answer to this question is gravity. Isaac Newton is the scientist behind gravity. He became interested in discovering this force one sunny afternoon when he was relaxing under an apple tree. After an apple fell from the tree and hit him in the head, Newton had an idea about what might cause things to fall to the ground. He called it gravity. Gravity is defined as the attraction between two masses, such as the Earth and an object on its surface. Anything that has mass has a gravitational force that attracts things to it. For example, things as big as the moon to something as small as a pea all have gravitational forces. However, the bigger the mass of an object, the greater the gravitational force will be. The Sun is so big that the gravitational force holds all the planets in their orbit. The Earth has a great gravitational force because its mass is so big. That is why everything stays on the Earth's surface and things just don't float away. The gravitational force on Earth is 9.81 meters per second squared, or 1 g. In other words, objects are pulled toward the Earth at that speed. No matter the weight of the object, the gravitational force will never change. That means that all objects will fall towards the Earth and hit the ground at the same time, no matter the height you drop the object or the weight of the object. To prove this point, let's do an experiment. Based on the information we discussed, let's form a hypothesis. Hypothesis: no matter the weight of any objects, when dropped from the same height, the objects will hit the ground at the same time. Now let's list the materials. Materials: tennis ball, sneaker, textbook, measuring tape, hammer, tape, string, and 2 long poles. Now let's go through the procedure. Step 1. Create a line from the 2 poles and the string that is between 5 and 6 feet high. This is the line that you will drop the objects from. Step 2. Drop objects one at a time from the line. Using a stopwatch, time how long it takes for the objects to fall and hit the ground. Repeat this step 3 times per object. As you go, record the data you collect. Questions. What did the data prove? Is your hypothesis correct? Why are the times slightly different? Let's review what we have learned. Gravity is defined as the attraction between 2 masses, such as the Earth and an object on its surface. The gravitational force of attraction on an object depends on the mass of the object. All objects on Earth are attracted to Earth at 9.81 meters per second squared, or 1 g. Objects will hit the Earth at the same time when dropped from the same height, no matter their weight. Now that you are experts on what gravity is, go out there and watch it in action.